guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can favorite accounts on Instagram. So when they post something on their feed, it'll post higher on your Instagram timeline. So you're just going to press this Instagram button over here and select favorites. Choose the accounts you can't miss out on. Add accounts to your favorites to see their posts here, starting with the most recent posts, and just press add favorites. New posts from your favorites will appear higher in feed, only you can see who you add or remove. So for instance, you don't want to favorite these accounts, just remove all first. So press remove all and press remove all. And then, for instance, you want to add an account, so just type that in, for instance, Taylor Swift, and then just press add. And then you're just going to press done, and then press confirm favorites. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!